There's laughter in the darkness, music floating in across the bay. He's half listening and wondering how he could have let her slip away. So long ago, but still he wants to know if anyone has seen her. And he's sitting out in the night, looking down upon the lights of Taormina. They were young and love was shining like the colors of the rainbow. Desire felt like choking, love was smoking under the volcano. He can still taste their kisses, sweet as the red wine from Messina. Now he's sitting out in the night, looking down upon the lights of Taormina. Seems like another lifetime when they rambled along the shore. Seems like another lifetime she used to call him sweet senor. Maybe another lifetime on a pathway to the sea. Maybe there will be. The crowd calls for the emperor, raise their hands to hail another king. But he's been so long a wanderer, another crowd could never mean a thing. He came, he saw, he conquered, 10,000 voices roared in the arena. Now he's sitting out in the night, looking down upon the lights of Taormina. Take it away, boys. He hears the chimes of history, myths of gods and men forever ringing. Ancient dreams and all their mysteries, wars for Sicily and Spartan women. In the mists of antiquity, ships of war set sail from Carthagena. Now he's sitting out in the night, looking down upon the lights of Taormina. Sitting out in the night, looking down upon the lights of Taormina. The lights of Taormina, everyone. Thank you very much. Luch Baradolco, Nick Gallardo, thank you, thank you. Charlie Carelli. Joe, we got to invite you to a practice or something.